Hey guys, got a question for you. Ever wonder why caviar is so dang expensive? I'm talking thousands per tin here. Well, let me give you a quick rundown on what really goes into making these little black fish eggs. Between waiting over a decade for the fish to mature and the insane level of precision needed, there's good reason it's called black gold. Want me to spill the bean on what it takes to get caviar from ocean to store? Stick around and I'll break down the surprisingly intense process behind one of the world's most luxurious foods. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Alan DIY. Today we're gonna talk about one of the most luxury and expensive foods out there, caviar. First things first, farming the sturgeon fish to get the eggs is an extremely long and expensive process. These fish take like 15 to 20 years to mature and be able to produce eggs. And they're super hard to raise because they need pristine water conditions. Then once you harvest the eggs, the caviar making process is no joke either. You've got to remove each individual egg, clean them, brine them in salt water, pack them all by hand. Dude, it's intense. So when you think about how much work and precision goes into making this stuff, the high price tag totally makes sense. And I gotta say, when you try it, the flavor is just unreal. The salty and sweet flavors blended together had my mind blown. So in this quick video I hope I could give you guys some insight into caviar, aka black gold. If you ever get the chance to try it, I definitely recommend experiencing it at least once. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.